Hey y'all, welcome to my daily shower and hygiene routine to relieve stress every single day. Hello, what's up YouTube fam? It's Nicole. If you're new here, hello, my name is Nicole. 2021 has been such a crazy year, stressful, lots going on. Some of you probably can relate. So in today's video is kind of just me trying to wind down, trying to process everything that's happened this year, and sharing with you guys my kind of self-care routine and some products that I use to kind of de-stress, every day. Try to find that de-stress time so you can just kind of like get away from everything that's going on. I'm a mom, I'm a DIYer, I'm a 9-to-5er, I'm an entrepreneur. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I'll put my Instagram handle here. Like, I literally do a million things. That's just who I am. That's just, like, if I'm not doing a million things, I feel like I'm not being productive, but it takes a toll on you. So if you are a hard worker like that, you can probably relate to my life. So hit the subscribe button if you are, so we can share our tips and tricks and hacks to this multitasking mom life or multitasking hardworking life together. We're going to get into this self-care routine, haul, hygiene, all that good stuff. And then for all of my home DIY folks out there, the house, if you're new here, I've been kind of documenting my journey on kind of making my house home through my DIY projects, or make my house feel like home through my DIY projects. And it's been a challenge the last few months trying to really figure out what I want to do with this house. I am going to start a series starting in January, really just getting this house together all over again. We'll get into that in another video. But just wanted to kind of let you guys know that this channel is a no judgment zone. I say that in a lot of my videos. Don't judge me, I don't judge you. Sometimes you might see me looking glamorous. Sometimes you might see me just looking like this. So yeah, let's get into this self-care routine. We all need it. Yeah. Okay, y'all. So a nice shower is always it for a stressful day or week. I'm using this Care scrub. It's amazing. And this Shea moisturizing body wash. It's paraben free. It's very gentle. So this scrub, this body wash is just amazing to cleanse your body. I just put the, scrub thing on the back of my hand and massage it and scrub it all over my body to really just clean. I definitely clean both sides of my hands. Don't forget that, because, we always touching stuff, and your feet as well. This sugar scrub, I made it myself. It's a DIY project. If you're interested, let me know. They're pretty much just sugar, lemon cubes that you use to moisturize your body. They're amazing. You only need one per session, per shower, and they are amazing. And they smell so good, and your body's just left super moisturized. So you just put it all over, especially the heels. Then for my face, this First Aid facial cleanser has been doing my skin so much justice lately, y'all. And I just wanted to throw in this clip of this coffee scrub I made. I use it, sometimes when I don't use the other scrub. Once I'm done with my shower, I use shea butter to just moisturize my whole entire body. Whipped shea butter is, always the best because it's softer. Put it all over your body, really work it in. I really like to, once I'm out of the shower, really massage my body all over. We all love a good massage, and sometimes we don't have a massage therapist with us. So try to just do it yourself. It's self-care time. I mean, it doesn't have to take a long time, but just kind of work it in. Massage your face, massage your neck, your legs, your feet, everything, to just kind of de-stress. And I like to do this routine before I go to bed, just because it puts me in like a relaxing mood. But this is really, something that you guys can follow. I'm really minimal with the products that I use. Nothing fancy, nothing too crazy, but just simple, natural products, very few ingredients, to just relax and de-stress from the day. It's more so about tending to yourself. So I'm just kind of putting this shea butter all over, taking my time to moisturize and massage my neck. It's about like really taking your time. That's really what I like to do because my mind is racing like all day from everything that I have to do, everything that I'm thinking about, stressing over. So this is kind of just like quiet time. Take your time, care for yourself. If you're watching this video, most likely you're just looking for some tips or some motivation to, have a self-care day or just to really enjoy your shower time. So I really hope this video helps you in some way, motivates you in some way. This cracked heel and callus cream is amazing, y'all. I don't take good care of my feet. Look at that transparency moment. Don't judge me. I won't judge you. But this cream makes your skin, your callus soften up almost instantly. I'm telling y'all, you don't need the little grater to cut, to take the shave the stuff off. This stuff works great. Really get into your toes. We step on our feet a lot in this tense moment. So take care of yourself. Treat yourself. It's so important. I put on deodorant. I do a couple other things, but this is the basis of it, y'all. I really hope y'all like this video. I hope it motivates you. Just keep going, keep grinding. I will see you guys in my next video.